Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at graphing a rational function. F of x is equal to, um, let's do 4x plus 3 all over x minus 2. Okay, so if we were to do this, we can rewrite 4x plus 3, x minus 2. And we think of about a polynomial. With end behavior, it looks like a 4x squared. So for end behavior of that polynomial, so up, with it looks like x equals 2 is one position. And if you set that equal to 0 and solve, you get a minus 3 divided by 4 when you work it out. Put the negative 3 on the other side, divided by 4. So we have that, and we have a polynomial coming through like this. Now we need to work with this a little bit and behavior. So if we divide this into this, you should notice that you get 4. I mean, honestly, when you have these have the same degrees, you always have one step in the long division process. And you're comparing this leading term to that leading term, and the comparison is simply by coefficients, simply the ratio of coefficients if these have the same degrees. So sparing time, even without writing out that if these are the same degrees, you can just take the quotient or the ratio of those leading coefficients. So, at 4, I'll just pretend like 4 is up here. At 4, it's going to bend to it. Also, and maybe before we bend, maybe let's just try drawing the other asymptote, the local asymptote, which comes from x minus 2. This part comes from the numerator, so we're okay. But this one over here will change into a dotted line. So then we can think, okay, we know we're going to be up here because the graph was up here. But if we're up here and we're following these lines, really the only way to do it is to go along right here. At least for a rational function. Rational functions kind of have these nice properties of going along asymptotes and stuff like that. So we kind of follow that idea. Now, for this one, we think we need to stay on this side down here. We can't go up then, so we better go down. So we just make it go down like that. So it'll go down toward this asymptote and go along it. Now over here, we just need to bend it so it goes along like that. And then we have our graph of our rational function. Thanks for watching.